The Uniden Solo X2K 4G Pro Kit is the perfect solution for monitoring remote locations without Wi-Fi. With 4G cellular connectivity, it can live stream and upload footage anywhere there's a mobile signal. Ideal for farms, construction sites, driveways, holiday homes, boats, caravans, and more. It includes a solar panel for daytime recharging and Uniden's on-watch technology for continuous 24/7 recording. Unlike motion-only cameras, this records everything directly to the inbuilt micro SD card. Pan and tilt functionality with up to 350-degree coverage helps eliminate blind spots, so you can check every angle. Completely wire-free and weatherproof, it can be placed anywhere. With Uniden, there are no monthly fees or compulsory subscriptions. The kit includes a bonus 32GB card and 7 days of rolling cloud coverage for the life of the product, just like all Uniden security cameras. For reliable remote security, visit uniden.com.au.